I like music because I like shopping, because I like cooking, because I like my mother, because I like reading books, because I mean, are you not sick of using the same word because all the time? Here are some better alternatives. How about you say, what I like about something is blah blah blah. Sentence you can make something like, what I like about my mother is how she cares about me. What I like about doing shopping with my mother is how I don't have to spend my money. What I like about you is how you love my content. What I like about morning walks is how the fresh air feels. What I like about my English teacher is how she explains everything in a simple way. What I like about English learning is how it connects me with people worldwide. What I like about self help books is how it keeps me positive all the time. Now it's your time to tell me about two things which you like. Write down that sentence in the comment section. I am waiting for that. Next thing, if you just want to replace that because word, then you can say since and as. I like coffee since it keeps me energetic. I like traveling since it allows me to explore different culture and people. I like music as it relaxes my mind. I like my sister as she shares everything with me. बस आज की वीडियो में इतना ही शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल सी नॉलेज है बट बहुत ही ज्यादा यूजफुल है. Even you learn very small every day, but your consistency matters. So whatever you have learned today, try to use it in your daily life. That's it for today's video. Meet you in the next video now.